Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to make pepper, chili pepper. I have here Scotch bonnet pepper, spring onions, two medium bell pepper, salt, Maggi, garlic, ginger, prawn, and oil for the blending. Now I'm going to begin by chopping them and blending them. Now I'm going to start frying the pepper. I didn't blend it too smooth. I want it to be a little bit chunky. But I have to fry it to dry, so that it can last for months. I will add my ginger, garlic, Maggi, and salt. And I will leave it to cook and dry all the onions, the ginger, the garlic, and it will be done. Very simple. It's good with jollof, rice, fish, chicken, plantain, everything, but we are having it with rice. So simple, but it's nice and tasty. Now the oil is coming up. The oil I used to blend is coming up now. So you need that oil on top so that you can preserve it. But first it has to be dry first before the oil can preserve it. So you'll be on the fire for quite a while, but I reduce the fire so that it can be medium. You can cook slowly. You just have to be going and coming and mixing it. Oh yes, that's it. Or stirring it. You have to stir. So you are in for the long run. Okay, let's check our pepper again. I was doing some small cleaning. Oh, it's drying up beautifully. It's drying up, you can see. Now it's separating from the oil. That's what we are looking for. Maybe 20 minutes to go. I want it dry, very dry, so that it can last for months in the cupboard. Our pepper is done. You see the way it separates from the oil. It's separated from the oil. It's dried. The best way to keep it is in an airtight container so that it can last for you. Oh, it's beautiful. I like it chunky. I like to see the pepper, the seed, the green, the red bell pepper, onions, everything. Oh. Okay, thank you for watching. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you are already subscribed, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. I'm having my pepper with jollof rice. Yeah, that is it.